Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the golden elixir that has been cherished for centuries, olive oil. If you're curious about the benefits this liquid gold can bring to your health, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we uncover the incredible benefits of olive oil that go beyond the kitchen. Heart health. First up on our list of benefits is heart health. Olive oil, especially the extra virgin variety, is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Join us as we explore how incorporating olive oil into your diet can positively impact your heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Antioxidant power. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols. These compounds play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals in the body, helping to combat oxidative stress. We'll delve into how these antioxidants contribute to overall well-being and skin health. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, and olive oil has been recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties. Discover how the compounds in olive oil may help reduce inflammation and promote a healthier, more balanced body. Weight management. Surprisingly, olive oil can be a valuable ally in weight management. We'll explore how the healthy fats in olive oil contribute to satiety, making it a smart choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Plus, we'll share some tips on incorporating olive oil into a balanced diet. Brain health. The benefits of olive oil extend to the brain. Studies suggest that the monounsaturated fats and antioxidants in olive oil may play a role in supporting cognitive function. Join us as we discuss how this pantry staple might contribute to a healthy brain. Skin and hair care. Move over, expensive skincare products. Olive oil can be your natural beauty secret. We'll explore how the moisturizing and antioxidant properties of olive oil can benefit your skin and hair, making it a versatile addition to your beauty routine. Cooking tips and culinary delights. Olive oil isn't just a health powerhouse, it's a culinary delight. We'll wrap up our exploration by sharing some cooking tips, discussing different types of olive oil, and inspiring you with delicious ways to incorporate this liquid gold into your meals. There you have it, health enthusiasts. The incredible benefits of olive oil that make it a must-have in your kitchen and beyond. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness insights. Until next time, stay healthy and embrace the goodness of olive oil.